Hey there! In this video you'll get to know the easiest trick to get rid of hiccups in 10 seconds. We all agree that hiccups are pretty annoying. They're usually temporary. They can stick around for a longer period and very irritating for some people. All you need to have is a glass filled with 3/4 of cold water. Try to slurp water slowly from farthest end instead of usual near end. You need to bend your knees and hips to a 45-degree forward to easily perform this activity. Important tips. While slurping, try to inhale air from mouth along with water. This way, air will go into the stomach easily. This trick may be hard for some people as it is slightly difficult, but once you practice, it will be easy for the next time. Please don't try to inhale air from the nose during the time as it may cause choking. Thank you very much for watching.